In a quiet American suburb, we meet Lily, a devoted wife who believes love is a lifelong promise. Her husband, Mark, once full of dreams, now faces challenges that would break most couples. But Lily's heart never wavers. Mark struggles to find work after losing his job unexpectedly. Bills pile up, stress grows, and fear fills the home. But Lily refuses to blame him. She reassures him softly, reminding him that storms don't last forever when love remains strong. Lily takes extra shifts to keep food on the table. Though exhausted, she smiles through every order, believing in her husband's comeback. Her loyalty becomes the backbone of their fragile stability, shining even during difficult nights. One night, Mark is wrongly accused in a misunderstanding with locals. The police intervene, and Lily watches helplessly as her husband is taken away. Fear grips her heart, but she vows she will not abandon him. Behind a cold glass window, Lily holds Mark's trembling hands. She tells him he is not alone. Her presence becomes his only source of strength. She promises to fight for him, believing in his innocence when the world refuses to listen. The judge announces a 2-year sentence. Lily feels her heart collapse, but she stands tall. She refuses to be a wife only during the good times. She chooses to be a wife through battles, walls, and chains. Every week, Lily visits, bringing letters, hope, and unconditional love. Mark's eyes soften each time he sees her. Her loyalty becomes his lifeline, reminding him that his identity is more than a prisoner's number. Alone at home, Lily cries into her pillow, quiet tears nobody sees. She feels the weight of the world on her shoulders, yet she wakes up every day determined to stay strong for the man she loves. Struggling financially, Lily counts coins to buy basic items. People whisper behind her back, telling her she should leave Mark, but she ignores them. Loyalty is not for the faint-hearted, it's for those who choose. In prison, Mark fights depression and guilt. He feels unworthy of his wife's sacrifice. But Lily's consistent love fuels his determination to change his life and become a better version of himself once he is free again. After 2 long years, Mark walks out of the prison doors. Lily runs to him, hugging him tightly. Time stole a lot, but love survived every second. Their reunion feels like the sun rising after a harsh winter. Life after prison is hard. Mark struggles to find a job due to his record. Lily encourages him daily, telling him, "We will rebuild together." Her unwavering belief becomes the foundation of their new beginning. Mark finally gets hired for part-time labor. It's tough, low-paying work, but he's grateful. Each day he returns home tired but proud. Lily cooks dinner, listens to him, and reminds him that progress, no matter how small, is. Instead of luxury, they choose affordability. Lily and Mark shop for used items, laughing through struggles. Their love becomes richer than anything money could buy. Poverty tests them, but they stand hand in hand, refusing to break. Mark apologizes for everything he put her through, fearing he ruined her life. But Lily holds his face and tells him, "You are my life." Her words heal wounds deeper than any prison. With Lily's encouragement, Mark enrolls in a vocational program. She believes in his future even before he does. Her faith becomes the spark that reignites his purpose. Months later, Mark stands in his cap and gown. Lily cheers the loudest. Seeing him rise from prison walls to a diploma fills her eyes with tears of triumph. Just when life begins to stabilize, Mark collapses at work. Lily rushes to the hospital, terrified. Doctors reveal a serious illness. Another battle begins, one she refuses to let him fight alone. Lily sleeps on the hospital chair for days, holding Mark's hand through every treatment and every moment of pain. Love makes her strong even when she feels broken inside. Medical bills pile up, pulling them back into financial struggle. But Lily perseveres, taking extra shifts, sacrificing comfort, fighting silently like a warrior whose strength comes from love. Mark watches Lily care for him with tenderness. He realizes that no matter how difficult life became, her love never left his side. He vows to someday give her the life she deserves. Finally, the doctor announces improvement. Mark's illness is stabilizing. Lily breathes out the first sigh of relief in months. Her loyalty, patience, and love become the miracle that helped to save his life. Mark and Lily sit together watching the sunrise. Every scar, poverty, sickness, prison, has shaped them into unbreakable partners. Their love story isn't perfect, but it's real, raw, and beautifully true. Mark thanks Lily for never abandoning him. She smiles and whispers, "That's what marriage means." Their story proves that real love survives storms, prisons, sickness, and hardship, because loyalty is the greatest form of love. This story was brought to you by The Unbroken Path. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your dream is waiting. Begin today.